crazy birds flying all over the place. Don't know what kind of birds they are. They're little black birds. But and see the sun sets out. Go and have a look, see.
Sit down, good morning to you. How have you been working? I hear you're working now. What do you do for a job?
Always working.
Always working, always working.
So the sunrise. As you can see, it's a beautiful day today. I've got to be careful I don't go down those steps or fall on my face. Calm water. Just waiting for the ferry. I've got to go. I accidentally left my backpack at the shopping mall yesterday, so I've got to go and get that. And I'll be going to another movie, so yeah. Kind of looks like something's down there, but I don't know. Anyway, I better go because the ferry's coming, so I better go. Right, bye.